Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. So in recent times, we have been looking at spectral indices, and in today's video, we'll be looking at the normalized difference built-up index. Apologies for the slipping tongue. So basically, the index is used for mapping impervious built-up surfaces, which reflect more strongly in shortwave infrared than in near-red infrared. The reverse of the typical vegetation signature that we worked on much earlier in a previous video. The bands we're using are the shortwave infrared 1 and the near infrared, making our formula S minus N all divided by S plus N. With this, we're looking at band 6 and band 5. If I'm working on Landsat 8, that's my formula for the band I'm using, 6 and 5. I'll quickly open this up, go to my geoprocessing, Raster Calculator, bracket open, band 6 minus band 5, bracket close, divided by bracket open, band 6 plus band 5, bracket close. I can name this NDBI. Run it. And remove this while we read our results. And here we have our results. Let me change the symbology. It's screaming red, so let's find red. So with our results now, what it does is it creates spectral signature for places with more impervious surfaces compared to places with no impervious surface. So we have this to be a water body because we have done NDBI in the past. Most likely a vegetation for places with more dense red are most likely built up areas, road networks, and as the case may be. Hope for this I've been able to assist you in making up an NDBI with your study area. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy mapping. See you in the next one.